I had severe Lyme disease. I was hijacked. My vagus nerve was hijacked multiple different times in my life. I work with people now going through the symptoms that people are calling mast cell activation, histamine intolerance, long COVID, Lyme, mold exposure, but it's always chronic toxicity. So the way to truly help your vagus nerve is to get a better environment, clean the body out. But through all of this, you're going to have times where your vagus nerve is going to need support because your nervous system is going to be overloaded. One of the biggest things that helps people is the eye connection. There is one motion that really can mimic when you're watching a horizon. So things that affect our nervous system in a bad way are things like staring at our phone. When we have our phone in front of us and that's what we're looking at all day, and we have that small visual field, that turns on your sympathetic nervous system. Okay, that mimics what your body does when it gets into the zone when you're in the sympathetics. When you're in your vagus nerve or your parasympathetics, things like staring at the horizon. Picture when you're looking at a sunset. Your eyes are scanning back and forth without you even realizing. So we can mimic that with far gazing. So you can start by staring at your finger or just picking something all the way to the right of your field of vision and keeping your eyes far to the right and then gaze as far to the left. And you can hold it for 15 to 30 seconds, whatever it takes for you to feel your body calming down. Maybe you'll sigh, feel like yawning. That's a sign that your vagus nerve is kicking on. Another thing, we're in the process of getting a deep lymph course for you because your vagus nerve is most superficial in your neck. All of your lymph in your whole body has to clear under your collarbones. If there's not enough space, if there's a traffic jam, things build up over your vagus nerve. Massaging your chest under your collarbones, massaging your traps, massaging your in front of your ears, even just like that can help your vagus nerve. Massaging your own scalp, all of that. I'm chewing gum right now. Chewing gum and continually swallowing and turning on your digestive paths can help activate your vagus nerve. Without knowing, I used to chew gum all the time when I was studying just to help me with that. Other things I do with the far gazing is in the middle of the night if I can't sleep. When I was having lots of anxiety, I would do far gazing with my eyes closed because you're tired. You just want to go to sleep. So if you're laying down and your eyes are closed, you can still gaze as far over with your eyes, and that connection to your vagus nerve, the actual pulling of your eyes can tension the same and get blood flow because they share fascial lines. Another thing with your eyes is putting pressure on your eyes. If you put pressure on your eyes, maybe you see people when they're stressed, they're like this, it can slow down your heart and calm things down. So it's the cardioacular reflex. So I hope this is helpful.